ng bahay dyan. Nakakita ng dati.
Oh, yeah.
Golly. Where's the fire department be here?
Ito, stay here. Last time, ang dami rin bumbero dyan.
I'm so scared. This has never happened to me before.
All that tree is gonna get burned.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, he's throwing a bucket of water.
That ain't gonna do nothing.
Shit, that ain't gonna do nothing.
Oh, the car.
He's on fire.
Oh, shoot.
Oh, yeah.
No, oh, no.
That's messed up.
Independence.
Coming over here to
Everybody wants to look, but they better.
But he need to be, he driving, he need to try and put that out.
Independence Day gone on.
Golly.
You need to throw some out.
Put water on there, get the water moving.
Man, he's still trying to drive.
Huh? We don't
Call
want the
fire.
house to be on fire. That's what you. Where's the fire?
Bay, anak mo pa, alisin mo nga dyan. That is the first.
Everybody wants to looky look.
You do the same thing when you have like that.
Hey, I'm at my house.
Be quiet. Stop.
Maybe they didn't catch the other trees.
Yeah, we really.
No, makakatch din yung other tree pa. May ilaw, ayun, no?
Here we would have burned all three of those.
Be quiet because you're the same thing when you go to somebody's neighborhood. You do
Pa, mababurn din yung isang tree. Meron ng ano, mayroon na siyang burn.
His truck must have been in the driveway.
Yeah.
That's probably the older guy too.
They can stop them.
Everybody's
It's smoldering down. Yeah.
where's the fire department? And
Oh, yeah.
wait.
Last time this one guy right here.
This one, and you know when I was looking back here, I thought it was this one right.
You see it's still born?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That one.
The one last time. That was last year? No.
Like a few years ago.
Yeah.
Independence Day gone wrong.
That was.
You say Independence Day gone wrong. You right about that.
Trees on fire. For some reason, it looks
They ain't
cool.
gonna call the fire
On their way.
department and somebody's gonna get fined. They already know.
But how can you tell?
That's
I hear
the
sirens.
It's so many illegal fireworks out there.
Yeah.
Control that. Better move.
There it goes. You hear that?
Yeah.
That's the fire department.
Baka yung kotse mo pero baka stop.
I just hope everything's gonna be okay over there.
Where is it?
Yeah, because with the
I just hope everything's gonna be okay.
last time they have a lot of firemen, right, Eddie? It's a lot. Maybe look like 7.
This almost
Because
called
the
a.
house there.
This almost made a wildfire.
Because the house
Whole
there is
bunch of them.
that's right.
Yeah.
Oh, the police is here.
They here now.
Oh, they're here! They're here!
They're coming.
You probably say that when the ice cream truck come around.
It's the same thing before they had the.
Yay.
Oh, what's that?
That's the first time I seen that happen.
Yeah,
Same.
but those people are going to get fined.
But how do you know
Look at here,
it was
Hey,
their
hey, hey.
fireworks?
This way.
Hey,
Somebody else.
You need to come here. You need to come here to ito. I know, but you can see it. Just stay